Y'all, it's currently 12:35. I know I was out.
Crickets and bullfrogs.
I mean,
We got really good at the river. I know, but that's how you know it's been a cricket.
oh, that's pretty.
Ooh, there's some pretty flowers there. That was my flowers like that. Look how pretty they
I'm gonna have to mute this real bad. Oh, that's pretty.
Yes, Lord. What it sound like now, man. Love that sound to itself.
They trying to make it seem like you on there.
I already look at it. That's good. Got to hear it.
Oh, grandma, you funny. These ones you gotta pay for?
Pork cafe. These get like Giovanni's table and 150 right there.
Hey guys, so I'm on the Allure, of course, and I have my interior cabin. I'm whispering because it's real early in the morning. It is 6:31. But yeah, I'm in the interior cabin and it is hot, like burning up hot. They woke me up in the middle of the night. Well, not in the middle of the night, real early in the morning, but I wanted to let you know. If you have an interior cabin on the Allure, you might want to be careful with heat. We have our little AC thing on the coolest setting. It just seems like it's real hot and stuffy in our room, so I just wanted to let you guys know. I'm gonna try to go back to sleep, but if I can't, I guess I'm just up. But I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Alright y'all, so I just changed my clothes. I'm about to head over to the tea area again. and it's currently 1:54. I have to go back to the teen area so I could play the Mario Kart tournament. I think I'm gonna miss it, but I'm gonna run over there, like speed run over there. Cause I wanted to change my clothes because I got my pants wet. So yeah, we're gonna go over there. I made it at 1:59 on the dot. Changed my clothes. 1:59 on the dot. I'm really that girl. Anyways, so I'm waiting for that to start. Sorry, my camera's glitching. But I'm waiting for that to start. I don't think I'm gonna record that because I don't want to record. I mean, there's little kids in here. I'm finna burn these little kids up. But there's little kids in here, so I don't think I'm gonna record other people's children. But I'll tell you if I want or not. Wait, while we're here, get your Parker on the. I said Parker. Get your Parkers on the Go merch, okay, y'all? This is real good stuff. Real high fabric, high quality fabrics. Yeah. Sorry, I got notification. Yeah. It has the little logo on the back, the old logo. Hey, y'all. So I'm on my way back to my cabin. I just left the teen club. It was really fun. I met some really nice people. I met some really nice people in there. What was I about to say? Right now I'm about to get dressed for a formal night. I'm thinking, I don't know yet. I have to see what our parents are doing because they're in a separate cabin. But I spent like 4 hours in there. We had a really nice time. I met some really nice people. Got some snaps, all that. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go meet up with my parents, see what they're doing. Yeah. Alright, y'all, I'm here with my mama. What is this called? Central Park?
Central Park, yeah.
Yeah, we're at Central Park. We just ate a Park Cafe signature sandwich. That's a long name. Yeah, but we did a Park Cafe signature sandwich. It was pretty good. The prep was kind of hard. But I think that's just how it's made. I think that's just my personal preference. Yeah. So that wasn't on them. That was on me. You know, I didn't know what I was getting for. But yeah. And we're just hanging out. Have a nice time, just me and her.
Yeah, just chilling. Taking in the breeze.
Yeah, but I already said I spent like 4 hours in that teen area. We was just walking around and going back in. But yeah, we're just hanging out, and I think we're gonna get dressed for formal night in a little bit. Half of me want to wash my face, cause I get oily so quick.
You've been outside in the sun, so it's easy.
Yeah, I mean I get oily regardless. But there's like a makeup store. I think I want to go in there. I don't think I'm gonna buy nothing, but my car in the room. Cause after I came back to change my clothes, I dropped all my stuff off. Oh, I was like, it was too much to handle. Cause I had it. First of all, I was carrying my shoes, so I slipped, and then I had a water bottle, and then my purse kept falling. I was like, I'm about to drop all this off. But yeah, I just want to see what's in there, low key.
Yeah.
I wanted to see if there was like, oh yeah, but I wanted to see if I could find like little, like thin wispy lashes.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
I like lashes, but I don't like the thick kind. Yeah. You know, like them videos when they get their lashes done and then their eyes be red, they be crying. Like that'd be scary. But no. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do next. If we do that, I'll record it. But yeah. That's what time over here.
It makes you not want to get up.
Facts. I was like, dang, we gotta get dressed at some point.
Right.
Yeah, I think I just might wash my face all over again.
Yeah.
It's nice over here, y'all. I already showed you today. Not there today. It's pretty good quality. At night it's so pretty. Yeah. Okay, so I'm on my way back to my room. I'm about to go get ready for a formal night. I'm gonna wash my face and redo my makeup because I'm bad oily. But yeah, I'm on my way back. We just got back from the Central Park Cafe. So here come the Parkers.
There goes Shayla.
You look pretty.
You put your fancy dress on. Huh? You didn't put your dress on.
She didn't feel like just now.
Oh, okay.
You look pretty.
You look pretty too.
Thank you.
You look pretty.
What's the dinner situation tonight?
Looks a lot better than
A lot better.
a lot
I'm gonna go back to the team club. I kind of like the tail end of the dodgeball game. Y'all, it's currently 12:35. I know I was out and about, but I met a really cool group of people. My eyes are red. Anyways, I met a really cool group of people, so you know it was cool. We were just hanging out. We've been hanging out since like 10 something maybe, but yeah, they're really cool. I really like them. We have an excursion tomorrow, so I don't think I'm gonna see them too much tomorrow, but I might see them probably the next C day, probably, or just at night or something. But they're really cool. I really like hanging out with them. I think I'm gonna just become friends.
And special thanks to our member of the month, Eddie Lugo. Let's go!